Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Designed by Amari, where we talk about all things crafting and digital products and passive income. So I am on TikTok and I see this girl making Bible tassels. I know, right? I'm always thinking I can get on and make everything that people make on TikTok. So I'm at Hobby Lobby and I want you all to come inside of Hobby Lobby with me and see everything I get. Honey. I'm gonna get this for my son for his Transformers room. And it's on sale. Like, look. It said $39.99, so it's really $23.99. Like, I don't think I'm gonna pass it up. I found these cute charms and these ribbons, and I'm going for like a boho type of look. So So however long you all want the actual ribbon portion to be, you want to take your string and you want to fold it in half because you're going to fold all of your strings in half. So however long you need that to be, just make sure you fold it in half and that's going to be the actual length. It also may be faster to use a ruler. That way you don't have to keep trying to line all of your string up.
Stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'll enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. So grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. Just let tomorrow wait. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
So I actually thought my camera was recording everything, but I guess it died on me or I can't remember what happened. But so after I cut all of my string to the right length, I took another piece of string and I tied it around like the midpoint of my ribbons, and I'm going to double tie that. But you want to make sure the string you use for this part is long enough to where when you fold it in half, it will, fit in the Bible right and it'll the string will go all the way to the bottom of the Bible and hang out the bottom of the Bible. So right here, I will demonstrate that. Just make sure your string is long enough and you actually put it inside of your Bible so you can see where it will fall. And just make sure you tie it really tight and double tie it, maybe even triple tie it so that it doesn't move at all. Okay, so now we're adding our beads on. So we're adding the beads. And then next we will add the charms. So I just took another piece of string and tied it at the top and then made one knot and then did a second knot to add my charms. And I just stringed them on there. And then here I could have made the string a little longer. I actually wanted it to be a little longer so that it would hang from the bottom a little more. So just make sure you measure it well enough so that it fits perfectly. This was the end result and I absolutely loved it. Like I said, if I could do it all over again, I would tie each string, a knot at the bottom of each string so that it wouldn't fray as much. But otherwise, I loved it. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I truly appreciate you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button.